Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a power window on a Chevy Silverado. First, let's diagnose the problem. Begin by testing the window switch. Sometimes a faulty switch is the only issue. Next, listen carefully for any sounds from the window motor when you press the switch. A humming sound might indicate a motor trying to work, while silence suggests a power issue. Finally, examine the fuse box for a blown fuse, which is a common and easy fix. Once you've diagnosed the problem, the next step is to access the window's internal components. You'll need to remove the door panel. Start by carefully prying off any trim pieces around the door handle and armrest. Then, locate and remove all visible screws holding the panel in place. These are often hidden under plastic caps. Finally, gently lift the door panel upwards and away from the door, disconnecting any electrical connectors as you go. With the door panel off, you can now access the window regulator and motor. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the motor. Next, carefully unbolt the window glass from the regulator assembly, securing the glass in the up position with tape if needed. Then, remove the bolts holding the old regulator and motor in place. Install your new regulator and motor assembly, ensuring all connections are secure and the window operates smoothly before reassembling the door. After replacing the necessary parts, it's time for reassembly. Reconnect all electrical components, then carefully reattach the door panel, ensuring all clips and screws are properly secured. Before fully buttoning everything up, test the window multiple times to confirm it operates smoothly and correctly. This ensures your hard work pays off. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to the simple path to wealth and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.